In today's video guys, ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano gawin si Content Moderation Level 2 from Supahands. Paano ba i-unlock yung skill na yan? This is the first video tutorial kung paano mag-unlock ng mga skills from Supahands, and I'll be creating more soon. Kaya kung interested ka about Supahands or how to unlock Content Moderation Level 2 skill, please stay tuned in this video and watch this up until the end. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Russel again. And sa mga bago pa lang dito sa aking channel, nagko-cover tayo ng videos about work from home opportunities, home-based jobs, and nagre-review din tayo ng mga websites and applications from where we can earn money while just staying at home and using any devices. Kaya naman kung bago ka pa lang to working at home or interested ka to get an online job, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button at click mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka kapag mag-upload ako ng bagong videos. So for today's video, it's all about Supahands again kasi maraming nagre-request na before for me to create videos on how to unlock different skills kay Supahands. So today, mag-i-start ako with video tutorial on how to do content moderation or how to unlock content moderation level 2 skill kay Supahands. So kaya natin kailangan guys mag-unlock ng skills kasi the more the skills that we have kay Supahands, mas mataas yung chances na makakuha tayo ng projects. And other projects are actually requiring different skills, level 2 skills. Kaya kailangan nyo rin siya talagang i-unlock. Without further ado, let's start. So yun guys, punta lang kayo sa Supahands account nyo and from the top right corner, click nyo lang yan and click on edit profile. And then mapupunta kayo dito sa page na to, sa profile nyo. At click nyo lang yung project types and labels. So for today, ang i-cover kong tutorial is for content moderation 2. So we need to unlock this. Click on that. So click on next. Make sure guys na for every part, kasi for content moderation level 2 assessment, there will be 8 sections. Make sure na each part, basahin nyo yung instructions para mas matutunan nyo siya. So for now, isa-summarize ko lang yung instruction dito guys. So for the first part, image annotation, we will draw bounding boxes. Kunyari, out of stock na yung item, we will draw bounding boxes including the price tag. Tapos kung meron namang mga items na wala sa grocery store shelf, kailangan din natin silang lagyan ng bounding boxes or tight bounding boxes. And we need to categorize each of the items na nasa box. And at the same time, kailangan natin mag-mark ng status for each task. So yan yung mga gagawin guys. Summary lang yan kung medyo nalilito kayo. Just read the instructions carefully. So now let's proceed. For this one, if makita nyo, ito may stock pa siya. Ito rin meron pa. Ito rin meron pa kung makita nyo doon. Etong part na to, wala na siyang stock. So we need to draw a bounding box dito, including the price tag. So ito siya. So ang correct tagging for this is, of course, canned or jarred goods. And our status will be completed. Next one naman, lahat to are all grocery items. So wala sila sa grocery shelf, kaya kailangan natin silang lagyan ng bounding boxes. Each of the object. Magiging sagot is this one. And we need to tag this as produce kasi fruits and vegetables siya. Tapos, we need to set it as completed. For this one naman, medyo tricky siya kasi kung isipin mo, wala tayong makikitang grocery items. So, technically, wala tayong ibabox dito sa image na to. So, this will be the answer. And, ang tagging natin is NA or not applicable. And we'll need to set it as NIL. Based yan dun sa mga instructions na binasa natin guys. So next one is this picture. Meron siyang grocery item, yung Coca-Cola. So kailangan natin mag-draw ng tight bounding box. So eto, medyo may lumabas na mga part. So let's choose this one. Mas tight siya. Then we need to select here beverages. We need to set it as completed. Let's move on to the next part, which is image moderation. So dito naman, we will be given a set of images and kailangan lang natin either i-approve or i-reject. So yung mga magiging basis natin is the quality of the image. Dapat hindi siya blurry. Orientation. And dapat may person sa image, the person must be in the center, and dapat walang mga logo or watermarks. So for this first image, you can see we can approve this. For the second image, wala sa center and hindi siya from chest above yung person, so we need to reject this one. And for the third image, may mga logo and watermarks, so we need to reject. So the next one is receipt reviewing. So dito naman we will be given series of receipts na kailangan nating reviewin. Dapat merong name, location, date, and amount. So let's proceed with the first receipt. So merong name, merong location or address, meron ding date, and meron din siyang total amount there. So we can approve this one. So dito for second receipt, meron siyang location, merong date, and meron din siyang total amount, pero wala siyang name of the store. So we need to reject. For the third receipt, meron tayong name, meron ding location, meron din tayong date, and meron ding total amount. So we need to approve. And then the fourth receipt, we have name, location, date, and let's check the amount. So here, line item lang yung amount na nakikita natin. So wala yung total price. We need to reject. Then let's click on next and proceed to the next part, which will be content verification. So for this one, we'll need to accept only those who are above 45 years old. So yung magiging format dyan sa ID nila ay year, month, date dun sa first 6 digits. So say for example, for this first ID, 1976 February 1. So that means 44 years old pa lang to. We need to reject. So dito sa card number 2, 1955 January 6, around 65 years old. So we can approve this. Then this one, 1981 November 11, we cannot approve this because he's only 39 years old. So dito sa next part, which is video moderation, may mga papanoorin tayong video and itatag natin siya as either original, cover, lyric, or live performance ng artist. So yan, nandito yung guide. Click nyo na lang yan guys to review the guide. And i-click nyo na rin yung mga video to watch. Pero I've already watched this earlier. So for this, it's actually an original music video. So we just need to click on this. What about us? Hindi siya lyric, hindi siya live, hindi siya cover. For this naman, ito ay isang cover pero live performance. Pero para matag siya as live performance, kailangan si original singer or composer yung nagla-live. So for this, we will select just cover. The next part guys is image moderation. So for this, kailangan lang natin i-identify yung differences from one image to another. Para lang to yung mga nasa dyaryo. So spot the difference. So how many differences ba yung meron dito? Review nyo na lang. I can see 4 differences on my end. The next one is we will need to watch 3 videos and we need to either approve it or reject. So the only times that we can reject the video is if it contains any profanity, nudity, or violence and gore. So napanood ko na rin to kanina guys, na-review ko na bago ko i-take yung assessment para mas mapabilis. So for the first part, sa bandang huli, may magmumurang estudyante, so we need to reject. So for the second video, more on informative video lang siya, so we can approve this. And for the third video are violent scenarios, so we need to reject. So the last part will be keyword moderation. So we will be presented an image, this one. Kailangan nating i-consider yung mga keywords na pwede nating gamitin. So yung standards is that keywords should be in English. And tama dapat yung spelling. And keywords must be shown directly in the image, not inferred or not any meaning. So don't make any assumptions. So dito guys, ang nakikita natin is a flower. Of course, may petals, pero mali yung spelling nyo dito, petals. Tapos, white, we can see a white color. We cannot see any rose. Bulaklak, yes, pero we need to have it in English. And sunshine, no. And this is daisy, right? Those are the keywords that we can select. So we need to submit kung sure na tayo sa mga answers natin. And then, there you go. That's it. Check your email for the outcome. So we need to wait for a few minutes and wait for an email to confirm if we pass or if we successfully unlocked the content moderation level 2 or not. So ayun na nga guys, I just received after a few minutes yung results ng ating content moderation level 2 assessment. So it says, congratulations, you've unlocked content moderation level 2. So pumasa tayo dun sa exam. So naka-unlock na tayo ng isang skill. Guys, yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo for today for unlocking level 2 content moderation kay Supahands. And I hope na makatulong to sa mga Supa agents na nandyan, yung mga pumasa na sa exam and are still looking for projects. Mag-unlock lang kayo ng mga skills guys and mas makakakuha kayo ng magagandang projects. Sa mga bago naman to Supahands, yung mga hindi pa to alam, meron na tayong mga videos about Supahands, about overview kung ano ba si Supahands, kung paano ba pumasa sa initial assessment. Just feel free to watch those videos sa ating channel. Kung may mga questions kayo guys, just feel free to comment down. Make sure to like this video and share this sa social media accounts nyo and sa mga friends or family members nyo. Thank you so much guys for watching this video up until this point. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa ating next videos. Thank you so much guys. Bye for now and we'll see you again in our next videos.